The COVID-19 pandemic has changed a lot about how we live, how we work, and how we interact in our daily lives. As a result, many Vermonters are unsure about their rights as it relates to COVID-19 and discrimination. Did you know that as a homeowner, tenant, or prospective tenant, you are protected by law from discrimination due to COVID-19? Your housing provider cannot deny you housing or treat you differently because you have COVID or had it in the past. They cannot discriminate or assume you have COVID-19 because of your age, your appearance, your actual or perceived disability, where you work, or because of your friends or family. Your housing provider, landlord, or real estate agent cannot treat you differently if you work at a hospital or other healthcare setting, at a farm or orchard, either full-time or seasonally, or at a school, college, or university. You're also protected based on appearance or race if you're Asian American, a migrant farm worker, or a recent immigrant or new American. Are you aware that your housing provider, landlord, or real estate agent cannot discriminate against you based on potential COVID-19 symptoms like coughing or having a runny nose? If you live in an apartment building, your landlord cannot segregate people over a certain age or people with chronic health conditions to protect them from COVID-19 exposure. Your housing provider cannot ask you or your family members or guests to prove that you're COVID-free, nor can they ask for medical records or force you to take a COVID test. All of these are examples of discrimination. If you've experienced something like this, please contact the Vermont Human Rights Commission. COVID-19 has also changed how our children attend school in Vermont. The law protects your right to live with your children. A housing provider cannot deny you housing because of your minor children. In addition, they cannot evict a family because the children are home more. Lastly, they cannot prevent your children from attending school in person due to potential COVID-19 exposure, or if there are other tenants that may be older or susceptible to COVID-19. The Vermont Human Rights Commission is here to serve you. If you believe that you have been discriminated against, whether or not it relates to COVID, contact us and let us review your case.